pastor, and the inspiration was given to us. As who? The man of God. That the man of God may be what?
Perfect.
May be perfect. So if you are not perfect, you don't say what you are saying. Fully furnished.
So be we mudi.
Anything Pastor Mensa onimu is not fully furnished, because without controversy, great is the mystery of godliness. That the man of God, you Pastor Mensa Otabil, meaning you are a man of God, which the inspiration was given to you. That for what?
Perfection.
For perfection. One, you are not perfect. Two, fully furnished. You are not furnished because you don't have the Holy Spirit. You don't have the Spirit of Christ. The pastors, you are not called by God. Pastor Mensa Otabil has not called by God. It's not perfect. It's not fully furnished. You don't have the Spirit of Christ. So you, that pastor, have to. I abolish pastor from Pastor Mensa Otabil. You are not a man of God. You are not a pastor.